Throughout this video, I'll show you how to create recurring subscriptions in WooCommerce for free. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for example, I'll show you how to create a subscription product similar to this one. So this is a single subscription product, and here we are charging $49 a month with a 7-day $1 trial period, right? So we'll have a look at how to set this up, but we'll also have a look at how to set something up like this as well. So here the customer can go ahead and purchase this particular product here for a one-time fee, or they can subscribe and save. And here I've created a monthly subscription plan for $8.50, right? And we can create multiple different subscription plans as well, and they can choose the frequency in which they want the items to be delivered every month. So for example, we could create a monthly one, we could create a bi-weekly one, we can create a 3-month subscription plan. Again, it all depends on what it is you're selling. This also works with variable product as well. Some features will be limited in a free version. With that being said, if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aoveup.com. Go ahead and download the AOVUp subscription plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've installed the AOVUp subscription plugin, the next step is to go ahead and create your subscription plan. Now, as a disclaimer, throughout this video, I'll be using a pro version of the plugin. There will be a free version available with limited features, but essentially you'll still be able to create a recurring subscription product. The finer details hasn't been finalized yet as to what will be in the free and what will be in the pro, but there will be 2 different versions. So let's head over to products and then add new. Okay, we can create our product just like any other WooCommerce product, right? So this is where the magic happens. So we've got a few options here. So we can create a subscription only product. If that's what you want to do, you can click on create simple subscription or variable subscription. However, I want to create a product where the customer has 2 options. So they can just buy the product for a one-time fee, or they can subscribe and save. All right. So for this, I'm just going to select simple product. Let's say this product is, let's keep math simple. And I'm going to add this to a unique category, and it will make sense later on. So I'm going to say subscribe. Okay, so I'm creating a subscribe category because later on, I'm going to create a subscribe and save rule targeting all products within this category. It'll make sense later on. So let's just add a quick image. All right, let's hit publish. Let's view this product. Okay, so this is our basic product, which is fine. And now let's go ahead and add the subscribe and save element. So we'll head back over to our dashboard. We'll navigate over to AOVUp and then subscription. Okay, and then we'll navigate over to plans. Okay, we'll click create new plan. Okay, we'll give this a name. It's just for internal purposes. All right, so we'll say something like subscribe and save. Okay, we'll add a plan. Okay, and this will be billed every month. So we can specify the interval here, and the length we can set it to keep running until the customer actually cancels it. Okay, so we can add our plan name here. We can specify how much discount the customer will receive if they actually decide to subscribe instead of taking us up on a one-time purchase. So we can say 15%. Okay, and then we get to choose which category we want to apply this to, and we're going to apply it to our subscribe category. And so we can include a heading. Okay, and then let's just hit save changes for now. Okay, so now let's refresh this page. Okay, and here we've got our heading which says choose your plan. So they can choose to purchase one time, or they can subscribe for $8.50 a month, right? We can add this to our basket. Let's view the cart. Okay, and on the cart page, the customer can also choose to switch between a one-time fee or a monthly subscription. So this is a great way to upsell them. If initially they selected a one-time fee, so then in the cart page, they can choose to opt for your subscription offering to actually benefit from the saving. Okay, so here I've actually got a different subscription product setup, and I'm going to click on this one and I'll quickly show you how to just set up a subscription only offering. All right, so I'm going to edit this product. So in this example as well, we're offering a $49 membership with a 7-day $1 no risk trial. Right, so let's edit this product and I'll show you how I've actually set this up. Essentially all we've done is for the product type, we've selected simple subscription here, and we've just added the subscription amount. We can choose the interval and we can specify when we should stop the subscription. Here it will keep going until the customer cancels it. And we're also offering a 7-day trial, and I've selected this option to indicate that it's a paid trial. Here we'll enter in the paid amount, so in this case it's $1 for 7 days, and here I've just added that no risk trial text. Okay, and then we just hit update. So those are two solid examples of how you can implement a recurring subscription on your WooCommerce store. Throughout this demo, I'm using a pro version, so I've got access to all the features. However, there'll be a free version with some limited functionality available. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you've got any questions, leave in the comment box.